It is Tuesday, October 26th, 2021. Why is this significant? Because it's an Apple release day. AirPods 3, followed by the new MacBook. That will be coming in a separate video. I'm super excited for that one. But first, we're going to start with the appetizer. AirPods 3. One of the things I liked about the AirPods Pro was the spatial audio capability, and now they've brought that to the AirPods. I've heard rumors, I haven't really followed closely, but I've heard rumors there's a redesign of the AirPod itself with a new case. It's going to more closely resemble the AirPods Pro. Don't know how true that is, but we're going to find out. So let's get this thing open. Let's see. Alright, so a lot of box for a little box. AirPods. Now I've never owned the AirPod 1 or 2. I did have the Pros. I actually still have a pair of Pros. But I've never had the AirPods 1 or 2. So just looking at the box, it's embossed a little bit. You can feel the AirPod on the box, and it does look smaller like the AirPods Pro. Back side of the box comes with MagSafe charging case. You can also plug it in and wirelessly charge it, obviously. And you see more of these paper pull tabs here that Apple has went to lately, trying to get rid of all the plastic, which is a thumbs up, which is awesome. So do away with a lot of that plastic waste. Before we open it, see if you can get a good shot of the AirPods themselves on the box. You can feel it's raised a little bit in that on the top of the box lid. All right, let's get these things opened. First tab. Second tab. That's it. I always get such a kick out of doing these videos. I love Apple products, and I like opening them up and taking a look at them. Inside the box, you got your normal paperwork. Nothing that anybody ever looks at. I'd be willing to bet you fewer than 1% of people who buy these products look at this information. Alright, here's the AirPods themselves. We'll look at that in a second and see what else is in the box. So you've got a USB Type-C to Lightning cable in the box, which is pretty expected. Pretty much everything Apple sells now is going to come in with a Lightning to USB Type-C cable. Alright. Now, we were praising Apple for not using plastic on the box, but they have Apple plastic on the case itself. Kind of strange, but you know. Alright, so there's the AirPods case. This does look a lot closer to the AirPods Pro case. You got your pair button on the back, Lightning cable. This case is MagSafe compatible, so you can wirelessly charge, you can use MagSafe, and you can plug it in with the Lightning cable. Open it up, and yes, the earbud itself, these do more closely resemble the AirPod Pro than the first and second generation AirPods themselves. Okay, a couple of specs that matter to me. I always do that with these videos. I don't go through the complete spec list, but the things that matter to me, obviously the spatial audio with dynamic head tracking is cool, and it has an adaptive equalizer. Dual beam forming microphones, inward facing microphone with a skin detect sensor. It has the H1 headphone chip. These things are tiny, 1.21 inches. 1.21 inches. Sweat and water resistant, IPX4. Like I said before, it works with a MagSafe charger, wireless charging, or Lightning connector. So you get 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, or 5 hours if you have spatial audio engaged. So you're going to lose an hour of listen time. And you can get 4 hours of talk time if you're just going to put them in and talk on the phone. You get 4 hours with a single charge. The charging case itself, 30 hours of listening time or 20 hours of talk time. 5 minutes in the case provides around 1 hour of listening time. or around 1 hour of talk time. And it does have Bluetooth 5.0 capability. It's compatible with every iPhone model since the SE, the first gen SE. So as long as as long as the phone gets iOS 15, then you can still use the AirPods. These are $179.99, so it's a little bit more than the AirPod 2, but it's still cheaper than the AirPod Pro. I did read that the AirPod Pro, the current generation AirPod Pro, gets the MagSafe charging case, so that's always cool. All right, you guys think that it's worth upgrading, jumping from the 2 to the 3? Drop a comment down below and tell me if you're going to be upgrading. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.